You know that moment when a prototype looks too plain and you lose all motivation? That's exactly where a big effects pack saves the day. This one turns empty gray scenes into something you actually want to show off. FX Megapack Ultimate URP is a huge grab bag of ready-to-use visual effects. Because it's built for URP, you can drop these into a modern pipeline without fighting shader errors. Light a torch, rip a portal, blow something up, all in a few clicks. What I love is the flexibility. Instead of hunting down 5 different packs, you get one library with enough variety to cover combat magic, explosions, and environmental glows. Perfect for jamming ideas and seeing what sticks in a weekend build. With a full 5 stars from 291 reviews, it's not just a flashy thumbnail. Creators keep coming back because it consistently delivers clean results without a headache. The only downside is that a giant collection can feel a little overwhelming at first. Just use the search bar and pin your favorites, and you'll be building effects in minutes. At $15, it's a steal. Use a few effects, and the price works out to pocket change per effect. Grab it from the link below and give your prototype that extra pop. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Trees and grass can make or break a game environment, but making foliage look natural is notoriously finicky. This pack takes that headache and hands you a solid foundation, so your outdoor scenes feel alive instead of stiff. Advanced foliage shaders handle the hard work of rendering leaves and grass in a believable way. Your vegetation gets that subtle visual movement and depth that stops a forest from looking like a flat green blob. The best part is the time you save. Instead of trying to recreate these details by hand, you get a shader package designed for the job. Just plug in your foliage models and tweak the parameters to match your scene's mood. It sits at 4 stars from 305 reviews, and that's actually a good sign. People have used it on plenty of projects, and the feedback shows it's a reliable workhorse, even if it's not flashy. The one honest limitation is that shader setups can be a little intimidating if you're new to tweaking vertex colors and masks. The workaround is to start from a simple material, copy the settings you like, and gradually experiment. For $10, you're skipping dozens of hours of shader trial and error. That's a huge time saver. Click the link below and bring your forest to life today. Sometimes a serious 3D scene just feels too stiff for an arcade prototype. You want that hand-drawn comic book energy. This pack delivers exactly that without needing to hire an illustrator. Cartoon Comics Pack brings bold outlines, comic-style shapes, and playful visual punches to your scene. It makes UI, effects, and even the world feel like they jumped out of a comic panel. For a game jam, that kind of identity is huge. It's also incredibly easy to integrate. You can drag these elements into your canvas or scene and instantly give everything a consistent, illustrated look. That means more time building gameplay mechanics and less time wrestling with art direction. A perfect 5 stars from 160 buyers says a lot. People love how quickly it changes the mood of a project, especially for stylized games and animated promos. If your game uses realistic textures, the comic style won't blend in without some extra material tuning. The workaround is to apply the pack only to key props and characters so the contrast becomes a feature. At $10, this pack's a serious value punch. A custom comic art pass would run you 10 times that. Hit the link below and give your prototype some hand-drawn charm. Every action in a prototype needs feedback. A slash, a spell, a treasure chest opening. Without that juice, even great mechanics feel flat. FX Quest is built to fill those moments with satisfying visual punch. It gives you a ready-made set of effects that feel right for fantasy and action gameplay. Think bursts, flashes, and magical twists that make player actions snap. Drop one onto a trigger point and your combat suddenly feels responsive. The pack shines in prototyping because each effect is isolated and easy to preview. You can audition several options in a few minutes and pick the one that matches your game's direction. No need to build particles from scratch. With a perfect 5-star score from 159 reviews, it's clear this pack has made a lot of game jams look way more polished. People specifically love how quickly they can integrate it. Some of the effects are tuned for a fantasy vibe, so a sci-fi project may need color or scale adjustments to fit in. The good news is the assets are easy to tweak once you find the right intensity. $10 is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and it gives your game a lot more joy than a payment portal. Check the link below and level up your effects today. Water is one of those things people always ask me about. It looks hard to make, and most built-in solutions eat your frame rate. Ocean Toolkit sidesteps that panic by giving you a functional ocean that just works out of the box. It creates an infinite ocean with screen space wave meshes and foam line rendering. You can tweak the wave function for larger swells and rely on scrolling normal maps for small details. That means a convincing open water scene without heavy custom simulation code. The real surprise is performance. With aggressive settings, it runs on a variety of mobile hardware, including Adreno and Mali chipsets. So if you're targeting phones for a low-poly sailing prototype, this gets you afloat much faster than writing your own water shader. It currently has 4 stars, but from just one review, so don't treat that as a mountain of feedback yet. Still, the included demo and website give you a clear look at what to expect. Let's be honest, the visual quality is the weak spot. The specular highlight looks metallic and can't be turned off, waves feel rigid, and there's no shadow or fog support. If you need high-fidelity water, this won't be your final answer, but for a mobile-friendly prototype, it's a solid start. At $9.99, it's a tiny investment with serious business ROI. If one client project uses it, you've paid it off 100 times over. Snag it from the link below and get your water scene moving. Shields are a sci-fi staple, but making a force field look convincing is deceptively hard. You need the right blend of glow, distortion, and impact feedback. This asset makes that whole process feel like a weekend project instead of a rendering research paper. The force field asset brings a polished, animated shield effect that you can drop around players, bases, or objectives. It reacts to the action with a visual punch, which makes combat feel more grounded. Instant feedback like that can carry an entire prototype. Setup is quick because the prefabs are designed for easy use. You don't need to be a shader wizard to get a convincing barrier. That leaves you time to tune gameplay mechanics like health and durability without getting bogged down in VFX. It holds a perfect 5 stars from 136 reviews. Developers consistently call it reliable and visually strong, which matters when you need to present a prototype without embarrassment. The one thing to know is that highly transparent shield effects can sometimes blend oddly with extremely dark scenes. A quick fix is to adjust the material's alpha or add a subtle rim light so the barrier stays readable. At $15, this is a treat-yourself purchase. You deserve a shortcut today. Click the link below and slap a shield on something. Ever spend an entire evening trying to get a color grade that doesn't wash out your game? URP post-processing profiles are here to end that struggle. You get instant cinematic looks without needing to be a color scientist. These profiles plug directly into Unity's URP post-processing stack. Drop one onto your camera, hit play, and your scene gets that moody, polished film look. That's a massive upgrade for a prototype where the default neutral camera feed can feel lifeless. The best part is the selection gives you variety, so you can try a few different moods in minutes. Switching from a sunny adventure to a dark thriller becomes a simple swap rather than a retuning session. With a perfect 5 stars from 127 reviews, it's clear this is a beloved little shortcut. people love how much polish it adds for almost no effort. The catch is simple. You need to be using the universal render pipeline. If your project is on the built-in pipeline, these profiles won't help until you switch over. For $4.99, that's practically a cost per unit steal when you break down each saved mood. Grab it from the link below and make your prototype look finished today. Color tells the story before players even read a line of text. But creating LUTs by hand is tedious and easy to mess up. Amplify LUT Pack gives you a curated set of looks so your prototype can carry a clear mood from the first frame. It's a broad collection of cinematic LUTs designed to work with Unity's post-processing stack. You can quickly switch between different grades, from warm summer tones to cold, desaturated horror. That kind of range helps you find the right vibe for your game. Because LUTs are simple to apply, iteration is lightning fast. You can bounce between looks in seconds and see the result on screen instantly. That's a huge creative boost when you're trying to nail a scene's emotional tone. A full 5 stars from 105 reviews is a strong recommendation. Users tend to praise how well these combine with Amplify tools and how much visual personality they add. LUTs are a one-size-fits-all starting point, so you may still need to tweak exposure or contrast per scene. The good news is that tweaking from a good baseline is far easier than building a LUT from scratch. At $15, you're getting a shortcut that would cost way more if you asked a colorist to build these from scratch. Hit the link below and let your game wear its mood on its sleeve today. A beautiful low-poly environment can fall apart when every rock looks like a sphere with bad lighting. You need natural shapes, varied silhouettes, and seamless integration with your terrain. This pack is the no-sweat way to nail that. Low Poly Rocks Pack offers a family of rock meshes that share a consistent art style. You can scatter them as cliffs, riverbeds, or mountain passes without worrying about clashing designs. That instantly improves the believability of any outdoor scene. What I like is the time-saving nature. Instead of modeling and texturing a dozen rocks, you get a full set ready to place. For game jams, that's a massive win because you can populate a terrain in minutes and move on to gameplay. It holds a perfect 5 stars from 106 reviews. Developers frequently mention that the pack is a reliable building block for stylized worlds. The style is specifically low poly, so a photorealistic scene will need a different source. But if your game embraces low poly geometry, these rocks will feel right at home alongside other stylized props. At $9.99, that's less than a custom rock asset on a freelance marketplace. A real comparison win. Grab it from the link below and fill your terrain with natural shapes today. Grass is the most requested detail for outdoor scenes, but it's also one of the worst frame rate killers. You want lush, moving grass without turning your prototype into a slideshow. That's exactly what this shader strives to solve. The Brute Force Grass Shader is all about performance. It gives you dense, believable grass that sways with the wind while keeping draw calls low. That means you can fill a meadow with green and still keep your frame rate playable during testing. The shader offers a lot of control. You can adjust blade shape, density, and color variation to match your environment. That flexibility helps you create everything from tidy lawns to wild grassland without bloating your project with a huge polygon count. With a perfect 5 stars from 94 reviews, it's a trusted option among developers who care about performance. People love the balance between visual taste and practical rendering speed. The one limitation is that getting it integrated properly requires you to follow the setup instructions and assign materials to your terrain or mesh. Skip that and you might not see the effect, but once it's in, it runs beautifully. At $14.99, you're buying time. That's a huge time saver compared to writing your own vegetation GPU system. Click the link below and that is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.